Today we got a video from Crime Scrutiny, and the title of the video is "She Snapped Over This Hat, Then This Happened."
I'm just sitting there talking to him. She's coming over screaming at us.
What did she say?
I don't even listen. I tried. This has been going on.
But something related to your Trump happened?
Yeah. Trump this, Trump that. I was just trying to ignore her, and she's screaming at me, talk to me. And I saw her running at me. I went running to stop her from coming through the other gate. So she got to the fence to cool her off. I threw a little water on her. She come flying over there, threw the Coke can at me.
And then she pushed you said?
Yeah.
There was an incident, and we were called about it. Okay, the other officer's going to come talk to you in just a second. I just didn't know where you went to. So I came out to talk to you.
I was doing the same thing I always do.
Okay.
Walking around the dog park.
Laura, what's your last name, Laura?
Why are you asking? I don't want to tell you my last name yet.
Okay, because we're working a criminal investigation.
I said yeah.
Okay.
And
So
also,
all I'm asking you for is your name right now.
Laura.
So you don't have a last name you want to give me?
Well, I have a last name. I'm saying I don't want to give it to you yet.
Okay, when will you feel comfortable doing so?
When I know what you want from me.
You are being detained right now until we figure out what's going on.
All right, so let's figure out what's going
Okay.
on, and I'll give you my last name.
Okay, the other officer will come back out here and talk to you in just a second. You're unwilling to come up front and talk to us?
If you're going to be like that, sure,
All
I'll come
right,
out.
let's go up front. Hang on a second. We're not going to do whatever we want. That's not how this is going to work.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Sir.
ma'am.
Sir. I'm walking to the front of the park. I'm so sorry, sir. I'm so sorry.
I asked her to walk to the front of the park, and I'm getting this. She won't give me her name.
Front of the park. No, you're right. No, seriously. You guys are right. I am being disrespectful. You're both right. I should not be speaking to cops like this.
Okay, we got a call. There's an allegation made against you. Okay. Let me finish.
Well,
I
that's
have to
try to
talk to
explain
the
that.
other gentleman.
Can I just say what? That's fine. He would not move past asking me my name. He would not tell me anything unless I.
Did I not say you were detained and we're here conducting a
Do you have
criminal
your ID?
Would
investigation?
you tell me? And no, I told him this already.
Okay.
I don't get ID'd at the park typically.
Let's go out to the front of the park and we'll figure this out. Okay?
Why are you detaining me?
I just told you.
I was asking him.
Okay, let's go to the front.
See? Easy enough, right?
And while we're doing this, let me get your
Let's
name.
keep walking.
No, I will keep walking when you.
I'm not doing this.
Babe! Siri, I'm in handcuffs and it hurts!
No, let's go to the front. Let's go to the front.
Babe, this is the time to
I'm
move!
doing this. You're gonna catch a charge. What are you doing?
Why are you doing this?
Why are you doing this?
Do you know her?
Yeah.
What is your relationship to her?
I'm a boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Is this a normal behavior for her?
No.
I just need her to go to the
Baby,
front.
are you recording?
Can you
please?
tell her?
We're recording as well.
That's good.
You're record. He's gonna record you
Also
acting
loud.
weird.
That's fine. I act weird all the time.
All right. Well, let's go. Stand up.
I don't want to.
Okay. Well, now
Ow, you're hurting my arm.
You're under
You're
arrest.
hurting me. What am I under arrest for? You have not read me my rights. Oh, my head.
Stop yelling. Are you not gonna walk up to the front?
I don't know if I remember how to.
Are you laughing?
Pretty ridiculous.
I'm proud to be an American, 'cause at least I know I'm free.
How the hell does someone like this get in a relationship? Who's the guy that's messing with this, man? This is crazy.
God bless you. Can I just move my hand so it doesn't hurt my wrist?
No, we just wanted to walk you up front, but since you're
And
not
all I
walking,
want to do is turn
we're getting
my
other
wrist.
officers.
We've been trying to be cooperative with you since I walked out with you.
Oh, honey, you have not
This is
ever
not
been.
necessary.
You, Mr. Hanslake, have not been cooperative from the beginning. I am a little bit sorry to be so difficult to you. I should have tried to hug
I
him.
don't understand why you're being difficult.
Because that man that called the cops threw his drink at me.
And I told you we were just going to the front so we can talk and
about
figure
it.
things out. And you just got very difficult with us for no reason.
I copy. Do you need 5 of us if she's in custody?
No.
Yes, bring
No,
five.
but I'll take 2
bring
more 'cause
5
we're
of
gonna have to
you.
drive her to
I'm
the
huge.
front.
Ow, you're hurting my wrist.
Look, the dog even looking like, yo, this lady is nuts. Look at the dog. Look at the dog. Watch the dog. The dog even know the lady nuts. Look at this shit. He minding his business. The dog minding his business, man. Going for a nice little stroll. Finally get to go outside.
No.
Yes, bring
No,
5.
but I'll take 2
bring
more 'cause
5 of
we're
you.
gonna have to drive her to
I'm
the
huge. The reason that I'm not standing up and walking
copy.
to
How
the
old?
front
Looks
right
like-
now It's because
Unbelievable.
I wanted an apology from Professor.
All right, let's try this.
Oh, no due process.
What's that?
Roll on our side and pick her maybe.
Grab, will you listen to the single thing that I said?
Well, now she can't walk. Yeah. So can you grab her legs?
Yep.
So you'll grab my legs and carry me, but you won't listen to me about how this guy on my right refused to tell me anything. Hold on, I will walk. I said I would walk.
Stop.
Okay.
Why are you doing this? What's the
I
point?
said I would.
You started kicking.
Because you wouldn't put me down. It hurts. It hurts, guys.
We tried to let you walk, and then you started kicking us and screaming.
All right.
We respect your time, so we remove the small talk. Subscribe to Crime Scrutiny for fast, no-nonsense body cam.
If you stand, I'll consider taking those off.
Why would I believe anything you say?
All right, let's get in the cruiser.
Probably more charges coming. I should be scared. Captain Justice, please.
Have a seat in the car.
Can you take a seat? She's got it.
I'm not doing any of this. Ow!
Should have just left her in the hobble.
Bend my hip the wrong way. I don't have the angle to do anything without it looking like I'm doing something crazy.
I don't think you're doing anything crazy, but let's help you cut it off. All right, rotate yourself this way. All right, and now sit up, okay? And what's your name?
Laura Garrett.
Laura Garrett. Okay, I'm gonna talk to them, figure out, and I'll come back to you and speak with you and figure out what's going on and let you know everything, okay?
Can I tell you one thing?
Go ahead.
The only reason that the first guy was mad, he would give me zero information. He told me nothing. He only wanted my last name.
Okay.
Gave me no information other than that, and that's why I'm in handcuffs right now, because I didn't want to give him my last name.
Well, if they ask you and you're detained, you have to provide information. That's actually the law.
Why was I being detained?
I don't know. That's why I said I'm gonna go talk to them, but I needed you to sit up, so I'm gonna go talk to them. I'll figure it out, and I'll promise to come talk to you, okay? But I need you to calm down, okay?
Ooh, smooth brother right here, boy. Okay. I see you, brother, man. Yeah.
Because nothing's gonna get better at this point. It's only progressively get worse.
I mean,
And there's no reason to make it worse, right?
hashtag America?
I mean, it is one of my top 2 favorite countries, if I'm being honest with you.
Oh, okay. What's the other? Wait, no. What's the other one?
Well, the other country, Zimbabwe.
Okay.
A lot of potential there, just some poor leadership, in my opinion. All right, just sit tight for me, all right?
Thank you for your help.
All right.
So she's just walking by. You guys are sitting there.
Walking by,
Okay.
she sees that hat and it sets her up.
Okay.
And she was like, why do you still support Trump? And I said, because I think he's doing a great job. And that's what Gary said. And she starts freaking.
Then she comes and she throws a drink.
On Gary.
Okay.
And Gary started throwing water on her.
Said to his friend, can I ask you guys why you still support Trump? The one that I was talking to started to answer me, but Trump hat started freaking out, yelling, cussing, so I was going to talk to his friend. He wasn't leaving, he was coming to dump his drink on me.
So when the other gentleman, according to you, is freaking out, what was your purpose of going over and talking to the other gentleman?
To talk to the gentleman.
About?
I was asking them.
I'm trying to make sense, because if you're saying that someone is yelling, right, and obviously he's upset because of whatever comment you made about a Trump hat, I don't know, a reasonable person would probably turn around and go in a different direction. So anyway, so you go and you talk to the guy that was not freaking out, and then what happened?
He said I'm going to get myself shot.
Walmart first after break.
And I got upset and I jumped over the fence back to the park and walked around.
What about what happened with the drink that you had?
He took some beverages and that's all
He
of
threw his drink on me first.
Okay, and then?
Yeah, I dumped my drink back on him. He did it first.
Did you throw it or did you just dump it on him?
I poured my drink on him.
Okay, you poured your drink on him. Okay.
He threw his drink at me.
Okay. So right now you are under arrest for battery on a person over 65 years old, as well for resisting an officer, and also you're going to be charged with battery on a law enforcement officer. When we tried to walk you up front, you jumped on me, which caused me to fall, and I got a boo-boo on my knee.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Okay?
Okay.
Any questions?
I do.
What's your question?
Why
Before I close the door.
Is he getting battery for throwing his drink on me?
No, he's not.
Is this normal behavior for her, or?
No, the original issue is just a simple question to these guys over there. She just She's kind of passionate about, Trump and all that. She asked him why they still support him, and then he started yelling. He threw his drink at us, and then she started yelling. The bigger guy, he's the one that called the cops. He went off, and then she just sat down, was talking to the other guy with the long hair. She was talking pretty calmly to him, and then it just kind of escalated, and then.
Yeah, I mean, I was just trying to call her to talk to her too. Hey, can you come up front with me? Let's have a conversation.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know where that all came from. We could have been probably gone and done with this by now.
Yeah, I know.
Laura was taken to jail and booked on charges of battery on a person 65 years of age or older, resisting an officer without violence, and battery on a law enforcement officer. According to online court records, Laura later entered a no contest plea to the resisting charge, and the judge withheld adjudication. She was ordered to pay court costs, fines, and related fees, bringing the case to a close.
I mean, come on. This is something we learn this when we're younger. Like, yeah, you could talk about it with people that you know and stuff like that or whatever, but with people that you don't know, you don't get it. It's just like at the workplace. It's certain things you just don't talk about. Religion, politics, stuff like that is just, people believe whatever they believe and support whoever they support. That's that. You don't get into these type of topics because, look, people get nuts. Okay, old timers supporting Trump. Okay, what's that to you as an individual? Like, how is that messing up your day? Like, why would you want to get into a conversation with somebody over that doesn't affect you at all? Like, it's just move along, go about your day. He doing what he doing. He chilling, minding his business, and that's what you should be doing. You should be doing the same. You with your boyfriend, y'all should be minding your business, doing what y'all doing. You don't get into these things with people that you don't know. Yeah, it's just, come on, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.